So now that I've started my channel, Ages Creator Help, I'm gonna be doing a lot more indoor shoots. And I needed a way to light it up because it's kind of dark in here, especially during winter time. So I went to the local Walmart and they had one of these. So this is the Bauer, or is it Bower? It's the 2-light creator kit. So this has 2 LED lights that come on tripods. They extend up to 46 inches high and they've got multimodal lights. So I've currently got it on the white light settings. I've got it on the mixed mode option and it's lighting it up pretty well here. Of course, there's shadows behind me because I don't have the lights set properly, and that's something that I'm going to learn as I go, how to set up lighting properly. So this cost me about $50 Canadian, and so far I think it's probably going to be worth it for what I need to do. Maybe I'll expand onto one of the big box lights later on, but for now, we'll work with these. Like I said, they are bright. I don't like looking straight into them. They have colored options, and on the back here, it says that there's 6 RGB color options, and it'll go between the different modes. And we'll take a look at that in just a second here. So it does come in this box. I've unpackaged it, got them set up so we could shoot this. So they are standing, like I said, they are standing here. So let me take one down and let's take a look at it. So it's going to change the lighting in here, obviously, because I'm doing it. So let's move this box out of the way and let's actually turn this off. Makes it kind of dark. So let me adjust this one. Brighten it up here a bit. Still dark, it's nicer with the 2. It's like a regular tripod. Loosen these up. Shrink it down. And we could pack these away. So this moves up. Just like that. So that's the light. This moves. We've got our full range of motion. You can take that off if you want. And then let's show the different light modes. It says it comes with a remote. It does not come with a remote. It's got this little bar here that's actually wired in. So it's not really a, I guess it's a wired in remote. So we've got our on, off, obviously. So let's turn that on. I wonder how that's going to look in the camera. It's got the different modes. So bright, a little bit mixed, and then an orangey white. So it's three modes on the white. I prefer that one. And then you can go with the brightness. So we can lower it. It has 11 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. I found, so we'll get it to the bottom. I found like the second level seems to work just fine for what I wanted. It's got an RGB mode. So let's do these lights. So it's, I'll come over here. It's got a mixed light mode. So we can select which color we want to stay on. So red, green, blue, yellow, violet, another bluish color. Then we're flashing, yellow. I think this is neat, the tracking red. I think it does the tracking different colors as well, so the tracking rainbow. I'll have to check the box. I'm not sure how many different modes it's got. Oh, we got police car mode. And what you can do is the up and down will actually speed up and slow down the flashing, the different modes on these. I don't know how much use I'll get out of the different light modes, but we'll see. There we are, there's the controller. There's the on off button, there's the RGB mode, and this is the light mode. So to get it to the white light and the different white light modes. And the up and down buttons. It's powered by a USB source. In this case, I have it into a power bank. You can plug this into the wall, you can plug this into your computer. It's very versatile that way. I just bought one of these cheap battery banks and I'm using that. This should last between both of them probably about an hour. So the input it needs is 5 volts, 2 amps. So it's not a whole lot for the power. And it says, I thought it was 10 watts each. It's 7 watts each. So 14 watts we have coming out of here. So it's not a whole lot of power consumption. So I don't know yet. I just got this, but so far I'm pretty impressed and I'm liking the different lighting options that this gives me. I'm hoping for good longevity. Let me know what you think about these lights. Let me know if you've had them, if you've used them, if it's something you would try. I'll try to keep you updated as to the longevity of these and how well they stand up to the test of time. All right, thanks for coming along. It was just a short one. Catch you in the next one. So look at that. I love the adjustability of these.